Hi, I'm Jeremy Crosby.
And I'm Nick Boucher. We're your hosts for the program that's all about your city, Talking Fitchburg.
Every weekday, we pull together the news, events, and information you need to stay on top of what's happening in the city of Fitchburg.
Find Talking Fitchburg on cable TV, Roku, Amazon Fire, Apple TV, and our live stream on the web. Plus, you can find all our headlines and stories on Facebook, YouTube, and our video on demand service. This is your city.
Keep up with Talking Fitchburg and the issues affecting you and your neighbors.
Want to know what's happening in your city? Get Notify Me messages from the City of Fitchburg. Visit fitchburgwi.gov on your computer or mobile device and select the big Notify Me button on the left. Enter your email and/or phone number, whichever is best for you to get notifications. Scroll down the list and select all the topics you're interested in to receive email or text messages about. You'll be notified every time one of your topics is updated. Sign up for Notify Me, one more way to keep up with your Fitchburg government.
Noting that it is 7 p.m. on April 8th, 2025, I will call this meeting of the Public Safety and Human Services Committee meeting to order. First item on the agenda is public appearances for non-agenda items. The room is empty, save for us elected people and the city clerk, so we will move on to the consent agenda, which includes the approval of minutes and approval of typical operators licenses, of which we have 6.
I'll move approval of the consent agenda, adding all 6 are new licenses.
All right. Any discussion? Hearing none, all in favor? Aye. Any opposed? Motion carries. Next, we have license applications for sound permits. The first one is for One Walk Big Strides for Autism with the Autism Society of Southern Wisconsin. They're going to be doing their event at McKee Farms Park, 2930 Chapel Valley Road on Sunday, April 27th from 11 a.m. to 11:30 a.m., just a half an hour with amplified sound. Is that correct?
Yes, they're just doing quick announcements.
Gotcha.
Yes.
Okay. We could use a motion.
I'll move approval of the One Walk Big Strides for Autism event.
Motion's been made. Any discussion? Hearing none, all in favor? Aye. Any opposed? Motion carries. Next, we'll move to the CertCo Summer Picnic, which is also a recurring event. That will also be at McKee Farms Park, 2930 Chapel Valley Road on Saturday, June 28th, 2025 from 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. with amplified sound.
Being a proud business in my district, I move approval of the CertCo Summer Picnic.
Motion's been made. Any discussion? Hearing none, all in favor?
Aye.
Aye. Any opposed? Motion carries. Next will be Puppy Up Madison, which should be Puppy Up Fitchburg, but it's Puppy Up Madison, with the Puppy Up Foundation at McKee Farms Park, 2930 Chapel Valley Road on Sunday, May 4th from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. with amplified sound.
I'll move approval of the Puppy Up event at McKee Farms Park.
Motion's been made. They're saying that they're going to have about 400. Do you think that's accurate?
Staggered throughout the event, yeah.
Okay, because I've been at this event before and it's usually pretty sparse, but.
Yeah.
All right.
Just a quick, do they encourage people to come there and bring their dogs with them?
Yes, they
that
do.
Event, I believe.
Yep, all dogs are welcome.
Just make a plug, if you have your dog, it'll be a good day. If your dog is sociable and plays well with other dogs, please come out for that on the 4th of May.
All right. Any discussion on that one? Hearing none, all in favor?
Aye.
Aye. Any opposed? Motion carries. Our next meeting will be April 22nd, and with that,
I'll move for adjournment.
Motions are made to adjourn. Any discussion? Hearing none, all in favor?
Aye.
Aye. We stand.